Bald-headed hoe shit. This wig is also synthetic and also is under $20. This is what the second one looks like. I thought that the root was gonna be much darker, but it's pretty much like a light brown, almost like a, no, I would say it's more like an ashy blonde color on the top. I thought it was gonna be black, but, or really dark brown, but no such luck. So that's what she looks like. That's the inside. Are there any clips? No clips on here. Does have a strap though that you can adjust at the bottom. Okay, so let's do the same thing to the root, because I know already that I don't like this really white root. With no hair. I cut all my hair off, guys. My hair is now like this short. Anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm gonna have the same issue with this one. What? It looks a little crazy right now. See, so the length on the bangs, I don't know, why did they make it this long? Are we supposed to wear it like this? I guess you are supposed to wear it like this, but I don't know if I like that. Do we like that? Is it a look, you guys? Let me know, because I'm gonna cut it, but first I wanna see if I can straighten this. I'm gonna take a section underneath, because I don't like the bump on it. I just want it straight. So it's not melting completely. Yeah, it's looking already better. Straight, see? Like, tell me that doesn't look much better than this side. So I have my straightener on 140. You can straighten these wigs on low heat. It's cute. Oh, so it got too hot. What happened there? So the flat iron got too hot, obviously, and melted the hair. So definitely be careful. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cut, am I? Should I? Should I, you guys? Cut it shorter? If I were to cut it, I think I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I hope this doesn't look worse. I am in love with her. So I'm so glad that I cut the bangs. Like, it just made it that much better, and, you know, straightened the ends. The difference that makes, I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I'm so happy. This was such a good purchase. I'm definitely gonna wear this one out. Super, super cute. Love it. Comment below what you guys think. If you want to see me fix some more wigs that are cheap, definitely let me know. Look how much swaying this does. Like, you could not tell that this is a synthetic. It's fine. It's not doing anything like getting matted. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Get it. You can get 2 of these for under $30. It's a win-win. Get on it, okay? Thanks for watching. If you like these t-shirts and you want to see how I made them, it's going to be up soon. If you did like this video, comment and subscribe. Helps my channel out. If you have any questions for me, leave it below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, guys. Peace.